This video is to explain how to begin the weaving painting. For the weaving painting, you're going to need to do 2 paintings. Now, you could do them both out of watercolor. You can want watercolor paper, or you could do them both out of acrylic, the manila colored papers for acrylic, or you could do 1 painting acrylic, 1 painting in watercolor. These are all choices for you. What you want to paint, you definitely want to paint something big in the middle of the paper. It could be the same exact painting twice. It could be the same painting, but somehow the colors are a little bit different. It could be 2 totally different paintings. It could be 1 painting out of acrylic, 1 painting of watercolor, or a couple of options of how to mix it up in this project. Now, first though, I suggest drawing your project in pencil on a piece of paper. If you are going to do the same image on the second one, then use the light boards in the storage room to trace it so that you have the exact same image on both papers. Do that before painting. Now, an acrylic paper, the manila paper, you can draw a little darker, the paint will cover it. On watercolor, you want to draw as light as possible because you will see the pencil through the watercolors, okay? So there's a couple tips. So for my example, I've already painted this, but I drew SMS, Skull in Middle School. Then I traced it onto another piece of paper, and to vary them up a little bit, I did the reverse colors, okay? So that's how I want to create a little variety in my artwork, okay? Once you get done with both paintings, then you will need to weave them together. So watch the other video on how to do that. Have fun.